don't know if the tranny's in gear. It's in reverse. It's in reverse. I don't think I've ever drove it in reverse. We'll have to get the thing for it. Might be one in this little transmission here. Yeah. Just grab that one off of here. This is my spare transmission for it. Because the other one has a blown third. I think I actually have the bolt for it in it. Let me check. Yeah. Let me get 7/16 and put this on there. Then we can shift it. Well, I ain't got no shifter yet, but we're going to. So we got that on there, and it's in, should be in 5th. Yep, season 5th. Fish. Season fish. Hook that. No battery, because the battery's dead. But I do have the fully full start. No, you do. You just put your foot there and push it. Maybe we ought to do that on a tripod, because it's kind of hard to do this one-handed, because you gotta have both hands on the wheel. So actually, I'll just put you in here on the top of the oppie. You like that, and then I'll just pick you up a little bit. Want that? You have that. Retracted it. I can save it. Oh, cool. A little bit tight under the pulley. I'll have to fix that. Hold on. Stop, I don't hurry. Get up and go now. I can spraying water on my camera. Yeah, the belt. I think the belt's slipping in the back. Oh yeah, I did get mud on my camera. There you go. Oh man, look at it. Oh yeah, some of a bitch is hot. Oh yeah, she's slipping. See the smoke coming off of it? Yeah, you can see the smoke coming off of it. Well, that's the first part of reviving this. I got a little muddy. Well, over me, but I think it might work. The belt's slipping. Oh yeah, it's pretty hot. It's not out of alignment. Well, catch you in the next one, guys.